Biscuit loves the park.
Yes, he looks very happy today. It is a nice day, Betty.
Yes, I love the park in the morning. Biscuit! Stop! Come back!
Huh? Where is he going?
Oh no! Biscuit is gone! What do we do?
Maybe he went home?
Olivia! Biscuit ran away.
What?
I am coming. I am coming. Come to the park now. Which way did Biscuit go?
I think he went that way.
Biscuit! Biscuit! Where are you? Please come back, Biscuit. Olivia, you go right. Bob, you go left.
Okay, I will find Biscuit. Biscuit.
Biscuit? Are you in there? I see a bird. Hello, little bird.
Excuse me, my dog ran away. Did you see a fluffy golden dog?
Do not worry, I will help you look. Hello? We are looking for a small, golden, fluffy dog, red collar.
His name is Biscuit. Please say his name.
Betty, I cannot find Biscuit anywhere on this path.
Keep looking, Olivia. Please do not stop. Biscuit is not in the park. He must be on the street.
Are you sure? Maybe he went back home?
Biscuit, come here, boy.
Betty, look, that shop has very nice hats.